good to see you. How are you doing? I am doing fantastically. It is Memorial Day weekend. I'm not really sure when I'm gonna get this video out. I get to go outside. I still have to wear a mask though, but hey, I'll take what I can get. Today we are going to be playing with Huda Beauty mystery bag. Look at that, it is huge. And we're also going to be trying out the new Legit lashes. It didn't come included in the mystery bag. I don't know why. We're going to try it out and see how that works for me and see what I think about the new Legit lashes. But before I jump into the mystery bag and other Huda related products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you get to see some more of me. And share and like this video. That way other people get to see me. Ooh, and don't you think it's pretty cool that I matched my makeup to my nails? I'm still having to do my nails by myself. And if you missed my last video, I'll actually put it up there for you. That way you can catch up. And let's just jump right into it. So my face is freshly washed. This is my first time opening up the box. A receipt which has a detailed list of everything that's included in the package. I don't want to see that. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Ooh, and there's a nice little card. It says Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle. And there's even a coupon. Go grab you something. This is the box. Put pink wrapping paper on top. It didn't actually wrap anything, but sure. This is a little strange because I ordered two. I got the large and the small, but it seems like they only sent me the large. I don't know about that. I mean, I like the tote. Nice little cotton tote. Definitely usable for shopping. Oh, there is another bag included. It's a little strange. They included two bags. This is gonna be weird if they packed everything together. Apparently the tote bags are $10 each. I was like, what? Really? Huh. Holy cow. Seriously bubble wrapped. Oh! Oh my goodness. They packed everything together, it looks like. So I have to separate it out? This just seems very lazy. Let's go through and see what I got included. I got the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. Actually, it looks like I got two. Oh my goodness. Alright. I hope not everything are duplicates because this is gonna be a very upsetting video. That is nice. Nice little travel size. This is $27. We have that. I got lipsticks. Only time I've actually tried the Huda Beauty lipsticks was in the Alot beauty box that they did a collab last summer. Really like that color. Passionista. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about this one. Provocateur. I love how it looks on the camera though. Chica? I don't know how you pronounce that. I think it's Chica. How do you pronounce that? Chica? I have no idea. Day Slayer. Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions, which is my birthstone. So I think we know where we're going today. This runs $27. Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette. Desert Dusk Palette runs $65. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. Such a pretty palette. So gorgeous. And there's a mirror in there too. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is just a sample. I was getting excited. I was like, what? No. She included, this is very annoying, sample of the Wishful Scrub. I think you could have included like a deluxe size or something, like a sample for realsies. This just doesn't feel right. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that. Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. It's a good thing I didn't get started with primer. Another card at the bottom. So I'm guessing these are both bags put together in one, which I think is pretty tacky, honestly. I got 4 lipsticks, 4 palettes, 1 primer, and 1 highlighting palette. I was kind of hoping that I would get the lashes too. Now that would be an awesome mystery bag. I think I have a game plan now as to how I'm going to attack this. I'm going to put some moisturizer on and we can jump right into a palette. Primer. Do that first. Huda Beauty. Nice packaging. Oh, okay. Nozzles like this always kind of freak me out because I'm like, what the hell? Is it a gel? Is it silicone? Oh, it's water-based. It says 2 drops to the face and let it sit for 20 seconds. I don't think two, how are you supposed, ooh, this, I'm gonna not do 2 drops because, like, what? It's really light. Just gonna add a little bit more. It's supposed to cover your pores. A little bit more. Right here. My problem areas. A little bit more. I'm always on the hunt for a really good primer. This isn't the typical consistency I prefer. A little bit more. I don't mind that it's water. It just feels really light, like I'm barely putting anything on my face. Yeah, and that 2 drops, clearly. Yeah, it just didn't feel like I put anything on my face, but it's all about the foundation anyway, so hopefully we shall see. This is $32. Wow, that is really pretty. Has a little mirror included. Very nice. A lot of amethyst. Seems like there are a few of the same colors in the Desert Dusk palette. This is definitely a lot more concentrated. Happy to get that. And like I said, it's my birthstone, so that's always makes me happy. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. I have prepped my eyes. I put it down a primer and a concealer. I do have a little patch over there, but I didn't want to put down too much concealer, and it kind of isn't blending away, so hopefully it covers itself up. Once I get into the darker colors, this little line between my 2 concealers disappears. I hope. Who knows? There's like no kickback on this. Travel sized and no fallout right now. This one right here. And deepen out my little outer edge. Make sure I blend those 2 together. Try and cover up that line that showed up between my 2 concealers. Looks like this did the job. Very nice. Very happy with that. Just a slightly deeper than the first color, which I like. Just do this outer edge. Buff that out. Oh, it's not looking as great on this side as it did on this side. I think maybe I put way too much concealer on this eye. Yeah, this one just went on so effortlessly. This one, not so much. It said, what are you doing? Stop doing that. Oh, I think I need some setting spray on that, but that looks really pretty. It is just so easy to play with this palette. I really like when a palette just, everything just blends together effortlessly. And I love the fact that I didn't have to setting spray on the brush. It's just, everything is just showing up the way I expect it to, and there's been 0 fallout, which I'm just like a little shook by. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I like it. How does it look? I have my base done. My pores, they look okay. I've seen them look better. The primer, it's okay. It doesn't really do anything for the pores on my face. I did pick up the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It would have been awesome if it was actually included in the mystery bag, but I'll take what I can get. So this one's $27, and we legitimately swear to give you major volume and always provide dramatic curl and insane length. I have little stubbly lashes. I'm not like one of those chicks that has the long lashes. I got the little stubblies so we can see how this actually works. Called Very Vanta? What is Vanta? Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like, the Legit Lashes. I actually have the eyeliner. I got this in a influencer box, so if you have the eyeliner, exact same shape, diamond prism, and the eyeliner duo thing. It has liquid on one end and pencil on the other. I like the liquid. The pencil, I'm just like, meh, I've had better. It looks like it's gonna be the same deal as the liner, where it's volume and curl and lengthen. I definitely need the curl and lengthen. I always appreciate volume. Open this. Whoa, okay, wrong way. Wrong way. I'm gonna start with the curl and lengthen first. So this is what my eyes looking like right now. The little stubblies, they show up, but they don't show up that well. The wand, I haven't used a wand like this before. Oh wow. Okay. It definitely puts a lot of product. How are you supposed to curl it? I don't know about this one. Oh, ow! That was upsetting. I don't know how to use a wand like that. I don't usually. I mean, you can definitely see. Looks like I got some length on there. And that's just with one coat. Nice. volume brush. That looks like you could stab someone with that thing. I think maybe oh, this one is a little stiffer. This feels waxy. I'm like, why does this feel like wax? Meanwhile, the other one felt like a liquid formula. I thought it was the same formula on both sides. Not. This like tugs on your lashes. This is weird. This is just like really spiky. So let's compare. But clearly I like this one. I definitely like this eye better. It looks separated, it's not clumpy, it's curled. This one just looks spiky and it looks like it's like I've been through some things with this eye. I'm just like, what in the... Okay, so don't use that first because it just looks terrifying. And that's volume. It straightens out your lashes too. I've never had lashes that are just like straight out like that before. And I usually just stick to one coat. I don't want to go too crazy. So that's the difference between the two. I definitely like the curl and length better. I'm going to put the volume on this one since you are supposed to use both. Hopefully I don't mess it up like I did the first time. And see how that goes with the wax over it. I really don't like this waxy one. This one actually kind of does look like more volume. There's that one lash that refuses to stay with the others. How, with all this wax on this thing, you're not gonna stay with your friends? Come on, go stay with your friends. And you can kind of feel it. It feels a little bit heavier. I think I kind of sacrificed the curl for the volume. I'm gonna try the curl and length on this spiky mess over here. See how that works. Oh boy. Oh, this is not easy. I think the wand is a little bit bendy, so it is tough to get through. Oh, and like comb all this waxiness out. Oh my goodness. What? I feel like a spider right now. Trying to do makeup when you don't know how to do makeup. So I'm just gonna bend my lashes back because I feel like that is all I can do right now. Definitely curling it. It's a thinner formula. It curls your lashes. It looks really natural, just super dark. Lengthens a little bit, like a touch. I wouldn't say it's an extravagant amount. Then the thicker bit, oh, that thicker bit is just a scary look. Definitely gives you some volume. This is definitely going to take some getting used to. The biggest problem for me with this particular wand is I never know which side I'm opening. I have it like this and I'm like, oh, wrong way. And then you put it in and you're like, okay, so open this up. So this is the right way, right? Nope, wrong way. So you have to remember to have it like a certain way. That's the only thing that kind of pisses me off with the eyeliner. I have the same problem over and over and over again. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna have to try some more. For a natural look, yeah, for sure. You could see your lashes and everything. It's a learning curve with this one, and I haven't learned it. I have not learned this one. Since I actually have the eyeliner, I shall show you how that one looks. That's the liquid liner. Just put that back in there. The liquid liner, love it. The pencil, meh. I'd say it gives you a little bit of length. I can actually get to my little crease right there, cover the crease, and usually I can't, so there is definitely length there. It is curled. Let me put some liner on and I'll be right back. This is so bulky. I'm gonna use the curl and lengthen to do my lower lashes. I don't want that wax stuff on my bottom lashes, so hopefully this works. Yeah, that looks good. I just don't like my lower lashes being heavy, but does anyone really? Alright, so that's a light coating of the lower lashes. My eyes are all done. That was interesting. I think there is a learning curve to this mascara. It's a short one, but there is a curve. Remembering how to open it is going to be difficult for me. A few things questionable. The size is large. This is a lot larger than what I typically use. The only thing I can think that it compares to is the Tarte Bamboo mascara, but it's large. It's gonna take some getting used to, knowing which side the wand is gonna be on. Only other thing is I'm not a fan of that waxy formula for the volume. It's really, really thick. I'm just like, I don't know about that. I do like the length and curl section. That's perfect. I love it. It's like just glides on your lashes, curls your lashes. Meanwhile, the volume, That's gonna take some getting used to. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. The wand, the formula, it's not my favorite, but it does do what it's supposed to. That's that. Summer highlighter palette. Look at that. I think I'm gonna be using the purple, the Amethyst again. That is awesome. It's Mykonos. I'm just feeling the whole purple vibe today. Oh my goodness, look at that purple go. I like that this is buildable. Like you could just keep going and going and going until you get exactly what you're looking for. Wow, that is shiny. That way if you just want like a subtle, even though this isn't that subtle, you can just go with this, or you want like pat-ow, you can go with that. I'm looking very pat-ow right now. Oh, 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 oh. I just gave myself a mustache. Maybe not the smartest, but that's okay. Nobody's really paying attention. At least I hope not. I think I'm actually going to do this provocateur. It's like a lilac purple, but it's still in the same vein. When I woke up this morning, I did not think I would be looking this purpley. I feel like I'm gonna need a lip liner, so I just need to prepare myself right now. All right, hopefully this works. Hopefully, we shall see. It smells like a lip gloss. Ooh. Oh, I need a darker lip liner for this. Oof, really like it. I just wish I had a darker lip liner. I like it, but I'm gonna put some of the eyeshadow on it to give it a little extra pop. Yeah, because it's looking a little muddy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just have to remember not to lick my lips at any point in time. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Just have to remember, don't inhale this stuff. And no licking your lips either. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of the light brown right in the center and give it a little definition. Oh, that is pretty. Oh God, you have to be careful with this. I feel like I could taste the particles and I'm just like, what is that? Last thing I want to do is poison myself. No, thank you. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.